The island woman prepares for her man tonight. She bathes in pools mountainside and lingers there to last light. The brown-skinned woman dries her hair in the breeze. She oils her body for the dance with the reddest limbs built to please. She gonna take me to a place where the ferns are scented with rain, and there I will taste what brought me back again. Juice from the mango, milk from the coconut, but of cannabis I can't smoke enough. Juice from the mango, milk from the coconut, taste of the ladies I can't smoke enough. I love it, keeps me thinking about the woman I long to see, and how she gives me out of love, and how she sets my mind free. The island woman prepares for a man tonight. She bathes in pools mountainside and lingers there to last light. She gonna take me to a place where the ferns are scented with rain. There I will taste what brought me back again. Juice from the mango, milk from the coconut, but of cannabis I can't smoke enough. Juice from the mango, milk from the coconut, taste of the ladies I can't smoke enough. Of island love.